When it comes to internet marketing, most people fail because they lack the 3 key components needed for success. That is a quality mailing list, lots of targeted traffic, and a way to easily measure your results. At SoManyHits.com, not only will you get these 3 components, but so much more. And best of all, it is all absolutely free, which in turn blasts our join rate through the roof at unheard of levels. Keep watching this short 6-minute video to see everything you will get free when you join today. To better demonstrate how all of these components work together, we first need to explain how our unique referral system works. When you join SoManyHits.com, you will be placed under the person who referred you, your sponsor. When you refer people to us using a unique affiliate link assigned to you, the first 2 people you refer will be placed under your sponsor. We call those first 2 referrals your qualifying referrals. Once you qualify, your 3rd referral will start your first downline, or as we like to call them, traffic lines. Just like you had to make 2 qualifier referrals that were placed under your sponsor, so will everybody that ends up in any of your traffic lines. So if we go back to the 3rd referral you made, which started your first traffic line, it means their first 2 referrals will be placed under you in that first traffic line you started, which means you now have 3 people in your first traffic line. Those 2 people who were placed under you will also need to make 2 qualifier referrals before starting their own traffic lines, which now brings your first traffic line up to 7 people. And when those 4 new members in your traffic line complete their first 2 referrals, they too will be placed under you, bringing your first traffic line up to 15 people. This 2-up referral system continues forever, even if someone drops out somewhere along the line, which means your traffic line will continue to double as everyone makes their qualifying referrals. And this is just one traffic line. Every time you directly refer someone, it will start a new traffic line. And because our join rate is sky high, not to mention free, it means SoManyHits.com will be one of the easiest referral programs you will ever join. In fact, as you will see later in this video, by simply using your account to promote any of your other opportunities online, your affiliate link is automatically advertised for you. Now that you know how our referral system works, let's see how it helps you with the 3 components we mentioned earlier. Inside your members area, you will be able to export everybody and all of your traffic lines at any time into a comma-separated list, which you can easily import into your favorite autoresponder of choice. Since everyone can only have 1 sponsor, this also means you will only end up in one person's mailing list. What's more, because of the way your traffic lines will continue to double through our 2-up referral system, it means your mailing list will also continue to double. And as time goes by, this will happen faster and faster. Even if you are a newbie and don't have an autoresponder yet, you will still get the chance to message your traffic lines every 10 days. And once again, unlike safe lists and other shared messaging systems, you will only get messages from one person. This means your messages will have much better responses, as the members in your traffic lines will never be flooded with messages. And if you do get an autoresponder at a later date, you can easily import all the contacts in your traffic lines to your autoresponder at any time. Moving on to the second component, SoManyHits.com is first and foremost a URL shortening and tracking service. What this means is that it will allow you to transform a long hyperlink such as this into something like this. And every time this shortened link is followed, we will record it so you can analyze the data in your back office to see where you're getting clicks and where you are wasting your time and money. Your shortened link will also display your affiliate link, which means by simply working smarter to see where your advertising pays off, your affiliate link will be promoted at the same time. We did not stop there though. To make it easy to track all your advertising resources, we made it as easy as simply appending a keyword to your shortened link. So rather than promoting this long URL, we turn it into something like this. And then you can simply add keywords to it to see exactly where your hits came from. So whether you want to record clicks from your forum signature, a safe list called Safe List ABC, or clicks from your newsletter, simply append a keyword identifiable to you to the end of the shortened URL we give you, and we will show all of this information in your analytics, making it even easier for you to see which of your advertising resources you should drop completely and which ones you can devote more time and/or money to. Getting to the last component and the lifeblood of all online income, If you do not get traffic to your opportunity, you will never make any significant progress. Remember how we said we like to call every downline you start a traffic line? Here is why. Every time a tracking link from one of the members in your traffic lines is followed on the way to the site being tracked, we will rotate through your tracking campaigns and display one of your links as an interstitial ad. To put this into context, if you have 6 traffic lines with a mere 15 people in each, and all of their shortened links combined are only followed 10 times a day, it means your shortened links will also be seen an extra 900 times a day. As your traffic lines continue to double, so will your traffic, creating a passive traffic monster that will only grow hungrier and hungrier. With this vast amount of growing traffic, you will begin to make sales even if you have the worst sales page in the history of the internet. To recap, any person who ends up in any of your traffic lines, whether directly referred or as a qualifying referral, will first have to refer 2 people who will also end up in your traffic lines, continuously doubling your downlines, which in turn will grow your mailing list, as well as give you an opportunity to directly message all those people every 10 days. Your traffic to any and all sites you promote will grow exponentially to astronomical proportion, and all of this information will be captured so you can analyze the data, empowering you to easily determine how you can work even smarter. And all you have to do is click the button below to get all of this for free.